Okay, in this video I want to talk about some of the material in section 4.9, and we'll begin by looking at this argument here, which, if you're looking at page 158, you can see is an example of an enumerative induction. And the reason why it's a enumerative induction is because, I'm looking at the very bottom of page 158 here, because we're arguing from many cases of A's that are B's. In this case, our A's are robin's eggs. And what we found is that all of these cases of robin's eggs that we've come across have been bluish green. So all the A's that we've seen have been B's, have been bluish green. And on the basis of this, we're drawing the conclusion that all A's are B's, i.e. all robin's eggs are bluish green. Okay, now notice that this argument is quite different than one like this, which we looked at in chapter 2. Here you'll recall that if these two premises are true, if it's the case that if Mary goes to the store, then she will get milk, and if it's also the case that Mary went to the store, then it has to be the case, or that it's guaranteed to be the case, that Mary got milk. So if our premises are true for this argument, then our conclusion is guaranteed to be true. And so we call arguments like this one here deductive inferences, or logically valid, or arguments where the conclusion logically follows from the premises. And you'll notice that an argument like this one, an induction, either a enumerative one or some other type of inductive argument, is quite different. Here, even if our premises are true, even if it is the case that I've seen hundreds of robin's eggs, and even if it is the case that each one of them has been bluish green, there's no guarantee that all robin's eggs are bluish green. My premises could be true and my conclusion could very well be false. If there is one robin's egg out there somewhere that's not bluish green, then my conclusion will be false. Okay, so that's sort of sets us up for the problem of induction. And it's important to keep in mind just how different an inductive argument, like this one here, is from a deductive argument like this one here. Okay, I'm going to skip over this stuff, but if you want to look at this material on Hume, this is about the passage of Hume's that Appia quotes. You can find it in the study questions. But right now I want to turn to this example.